Seven best life insurance companies in February 2024. Mass Mutual and Guardians top our list of the best life insurance companies for 2024. Follow the writers. More like this life insurance provider, life insurance policy types, managing life insurance, buying life insurance, life insurance. The life insurance market in the USA is competitive, made up of a mix of long-standing insurance and never insured types that sell policies online. To narrow down of our list of the best life insurance companies, we looked at customer complaint data, consumer experience, and financial strength. We also assessed the types of policies on offer and the ways you can buy coverage. Based on these factors, these are our top life insurance companies for 2024. Why? You can trust NerdWallet's overwriters and editors. Follow strike editorial guidelines to ensure the content on our site is accurate and fair, so you can make financial decisions with confidence and choose the products that work best for you. Here is a list of our partners, and here's how we make money. How much does life insurance cost? Monthly estimates for best health, good health, average health. Our picks for the best life insurance companies in February 2024. All of the life insurance companies listed below scored 5 out of star of 5 star. There are hundreds of insurance competing for your business, often selling very similar products. So it's smart to compare life insurance quotes from a few before making a decision. Our picks insurance net wallet mass mutual 5.0 net wallet rating audience 5.0 Northwestern Mutual, New York Life, Pacific Life, State Farm. How we ranked the top life insurance. NerdWallet life insurance rating are based on consumer experience complaint index score from the National Association of Insurance Commissioners for individual life insurance and weighted average of financial strength rating, which indicate a company ability to pay future claims within the consumer experience category. We consider easy of con- communication and website transparency, which looks at the depth depth of policy details available online to calculate each insurance rating. We adjust this across to a curved 5 point scale. These ratings are guide, but we encourage you to shop around and compare several insurance quotes to find the best rate for your net wallet does not receive compensation for any review. Read our editorial guidelines. How we review life insurance compares best life insurance companies, pros of cons. Learn more about our top life insurance companies in 2024 by reading the brief summaries below and checking out our comprehensive review. Mass Mutual best overall, Guardians best for applicants with a history of hive. Northwestern Mutual best for consumer experience. New York Life best for high coverage amounts. Pacific like best range of permanent life insurance. State Farm best for customer satisfaction. AARP best for older applicants. Best life insurance companies overall Mass Mutual.